Hadith 844. Wathila bin al-Asqa radiallahu anhu reported that the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, of the worst lies are to claim a false father, or to pretend to have seen what one has not seen and tell a false dream, or to attribute to the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam what he has not said. Bukhari.
Right, so he had started the Prophet by saying, Min a'zam al-fira, from the greatest of forged lies. Those three things he had mentioned. Number one, the person claims himself, attributes himself to a person that to be his father, but it is not his father. So why is it from the greatest of all lies? It's like he's saying that Allah did not create me from the real father of mine, but created me from that person. Because when you say this, then you are making a forged lie against Allah. When you trip yourself to another person, you're saying that person is your father. Allah did not create me from him. So you're lying against Allah. And that's why it's from the greatest of all lies. Also, from the greatest of all lies, he says, to show your eyes what it hasn't seen. That means you pretend that you have seen a dream. I've seen myself in Jannah, I've seen myself with the angel, I've seen myself with the Prophet. Okay, so that as well, a lie against Allah, because these visions, they are from Allah, are the good ones, so they're making against Allah Azza wa Jalla. It's a lie. Third one, if you say something that the Prophet of Allah did not say, Prophet of Allah said and he did not say, because lying against the Prophet of Allah is equivalent to lying against Allah, because the Prophet of Allah does not speak from whims and desire, he speaks from the divine. Number four, as a benefit from this, is that Islam is keen to bring up the person, the individual, onto truthfulness, not when he is awake, but also when he is asleep, and in everything. As-sidqu, the truthfulness, is salvation.